Hi there, Ralphie here. On today's episode, I'm going to show you a nifty old trick from yesteryear that I forgot I had in my toolbox, and that is a see-through spark plug that lets you adjust idle mix. And well, here it goes. So this gizmo is called Colortune, and this kit consists out of a see-through spark plug. See that? The electrode in it. I just cleaned it up. And this gets mounted in place of a spark plug. This one is obviously a little bit, it's less than ideal because this thread is not of the long variety, but it will do. It will do. So once you install that by ways of using this little helper here, you then put the ignition wire on this, and depending on how deep that is in there, you either mount it like this and see it through, or in really tight spaces this goes over top and it has a little mirror so you can actually see better. Back in the olden days, you had to mess around jets, and here is a reamer set for the jets that comes with it. Comes in handy for cleaning out these teeny tiny injection ports, but it doesn't do anything obviously for this car or for any fuel injected car. So I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see what it does when we have it in there, and we can adjust the idle mix looking at it, because if you see orange, it's too rich. If it's blue, whitish blue, is maybe getting too lean, but a nice solid blue would be a good color to have. Cool. Now I got the plug installed on cylinder number 5. Got my ignition wire connected to the central connector, and we're ready to start. So let's see what it does. All right, so let's see if we can see that, because it's really deep down in there. I'm gonna try it. Oh, there we go. There we go. And it's gonna be difficult to see, but you can see it is pretty rich. Some of them misfire because that plug is a little bit too come on, focus. Yeah, there you go. So it is a little bit on the rich side, but it's also, the engine is not quite hot, so I need to wait until that the engine warms up a little bit. And what I do after that is that's the idle mix. Turn it no more than an 1/8 turn and see that you can get that color of the combustion to a nice blue, and not so much yellow. Yellow is pretty rich. So with that, I leave you. Again, this thing is called Colortune. I checked it out. I think they're still around if you want to check them out. It has saved my bum quite a few times, and it's fairly inexpensive, and you don't need to buy any extra, like, expensive pieces of equipment to do a fuel mix adjustment on your